While the ongoing lockdown, shortage of workforce and the ongoing monsoon have already delayed the new Zuari Bridge in South Goa by over 6 months. The present India-China standoff has further added to the uncertainty surrounding one of Goa's most ambitious projects. Speaking to media, Dilip Beltcon Limited Vice President Atul Joshi admitted that the project has been heavily dependent on the involvement of Chinese expertise and infrastructure, but said if Chinese consultants are unable to come to Goa, they may have to look for other options by engaging other professionals. Asked if the India-China face-off would affect work on the new Zuari Bridge, especially when Chinese consultants were a key part of the project, Joshi said they were presently monitoring the situation. We don't think India and China will go in for a serious confrontation, hopefully. Everything will be resolved and we are hoping for the best. In case things get worse and the Chinese consultants are unable to come to Goa, we may have to look for other options to engage other professionals. When asked to specify the amount of the work completed on the new Zuari Bridge, Joshi said DPL has completed around 65% of the work.
Definitely, we are monitoring the situation regarding the standoff, but I seriously don't think that either China or India will go into, serious confrontations. So hopefully everything will be perfect. We are hoping for the best. And in case it goes to worst, if they are not able to come, then definitely we have options of engaging other professionals.
But how vital was Chinese consultants for the
Because
project?
everything from the scratch they were involved in this project, right from the designing stage. The proof consultant, Dr. Chen, was from China. The material, the cable stay material has come from China. So for the erection purpose, definitely they are required. But it comes to worst, then we have to find a solution for that. Pending material yet to come from China. That includes your bearings, your expansion joints. There's some hold down system is there that will come, monitoring system for the bridge that is to come. So still a lot of things presently dependent on China.
So as of now, how much of the work has been completed and are you facing any issues as of now?
Presently we talk about this cable stay bridge, about 65% has been completed, and from next month onwards we'll start the pier table, that is first segment that will start launching in the next month in the July, and full-fledged cable stay would start by September if everything goes well.
Sir, amidst this coronavirus pandemic, are you facing shortage of workers or people?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of problems we are facing because of that. Mainly the manpower issue. Earlier, whatever we had, say for example, we had about 600 laborers on this particular cable stay bridge. Now we are just about 250 on this one. So there's a steep, problem with the migration of laborers. But we are trying to get laborers, get them back from Calcutta, from West Bengal and other places. We have even offered them flight tickets. So we'll be paying them, we'll be calling them through flights. Company will bear all the cost for that.
Sir, will this will this shortage of laborers cause a further delay and the further price will escalate about the project or anything like that? So it's got any link?
Definitely delay will be there because of the pandemic. Initially 1.5 months was lost. Then again the shortage of labor, now the monsoon. So all clubbed, more than 6 months will be lost because of this. And regarding the price escalation, there definitely will be price escalation, but not to the government, because they have because it's a force majeure. Force majeure, both the parties have to bear the cost.
Correct.
All the support from the state administration.
Thank you, sir.